It's a great little walk, this 3 kilometres. Very nice. It runs from town up to the bridge at the estuary at the inlet, and then runs back into town again. Just all alongside the river, both sides of the river. So we'll keep going and see what it's like. Yep, a little dog loves to go for a walk. It doesn't matter how long this lead gets, he'll go right to the end and drag me along. I sometimes wonder who's taking who for a walk. Oh, look what I just found. Just walking down this track here, and look what I found. Doesn't look like there's anybody home. Good job Jack motivating them. There's still some muddy patches. Jack usually walks right through the middle of them, but this time he didn't. Look, Jack. Another little door. Jack hasn't seen any of them yet. Mind you, he probably doesn't know what they are anyway. Come on. Yep, still a lot of water around. And, oh, back a bit here. It's a pity I've only got the GoPro with me, because the other camera would definitely pick up better images of the sides of the river here, or the views of the river, but it still looks nice. What have you done now? I still can't see town yet. I'm starting to get a bit worried. I try and take him through the shallowest bit, but he always tries to go around the edge. When he goes around the edge, he ends up in the deepest part. Come here. Oh, well, we just got the town. The town's just there on the other side of the river, so the bridge is just up ahead. And then we'll go through the park and walk down the other side, back to the bus. If this dog will stop dragging. Stop pulling on the lead. And you can see just through the trees, town on the other side, the town park. So we'll be popping out soon into the sunshine again, and then over the bridge, I think. So I've never done this before, so it's the first time for all of us. Here we are at the bowling club. This is the end of the bowling club here. And the start of, what does that say? Bambury Street. There's town on the other side. I should pinch that boat there and pinch that boat and paddle bike. And if it's got any guys. Oops, this looks slippy. There's a few people slipped here. It's a nice walk. Oh, here's the walk. That's the sign. Now there's the bridge. We came around the other way last time. See how much the water's dropped. Last time it was up under those poles. So we're going up the steps. Up the steps, Jack. The steps across the bridge, down the other side, and continue through the park. In from Albany and heading up into town. Now here's the bowling club. Quite a big bowling club by the looks of the look of the clubhouse. There you can see the main road into town. It's the town, the pub just across the road, and here's the river. It runs out into the estuary. There you go, there's the bridge. The river runs down through the centre of town and out to the I think it's the Wilsons Inlet. A nice little spot, nice town. Might sell mine and move out of Albany and move down here. It's the old pub. Haven't been in there for a long time. We used to come out and ride the bikes out here and have a counter lunch and a meal. And a mid-strength beer. Beautiful old houses here, all fibre timber frames and planking. So this sign here says this was the original Denmark Tennis Club for 40 years, until they had to move it because of the riverbank subsiding. They had to move it out further out of town. Oh, now we're on the way back. The town behind us just there, and we're on the other side of the river. That's right. Now we'll have a look for that canoe that we spotted from the other side. I can steal that and paddle up to the car. That was Jack's idea, by the way, not mine. There you can see the difference now with the sun behind us. Even, what is it, about 1 o'clock? Maybe a little bit later. And long shadows already. A little winter time, or we're coming out of winter now. You can see how close the trees are together and how crowded it is in between. Imagine trying to get through that as an explorer. With your donkeys or your horses and your packs, and one heck of an effort, heck of a trip. I love these ferns. A lot of them seem to be dying, but these new ones coming up, beautiful and brilliant. Oh, there's the canoe. Well, we can see from the other side. Look at Jet Bridge! Only the silver fox followers will understand that bit. Try running through these and catch yourself to pieces. The edges have serrated and they're yeah, if you run through them very quickly they'll slice your skin. Amazing plants we have in Australia. With me, but you notice Jack's out in front, so if there's any snakes he cops it. So we're getting close to the road now, because the main road runs down, no, not the main road, but one of the side road runs down at this side of the river. And I think part of this track actually runs down that, along the edge of the road. We're still alongside the river. The river's just on the side of those trees, but here we are, you can see. Oh, there's a car going past. Uh-oh, another bridge. Jack, it's a bridge. Jack, it's a bridge. Bridge! I can hear water, but I can't see. Just admit I had to stop and take my sweatshirt off. It's getting warm. I don't know if you can see. My minibus. I got my minibus shirt on today. That's good. I nearly missed the turn-off. The road's just back there, but come on. It's back on the track and closer to the river. See, there's the river. Oh, I can see the bridge, so we're not that far away now. Just through the trees, centre picture. I don't know if you can see. There's a white thing, which I think is a boat. And this is the bridge, so we're not that far. Not that far from Mini now. Somebody asked me why we call the bus Mini. Because of Minibus Adventures is obviously the name of the vlog. Or rather than keep saying, oh, Minibus Adventures, we just say, it's Mini. It's Mini from Minibus Adventures. So that's why she's called Mini. And back alongside the road. The river very close again now. Just when we get to this gap here, you'll see the bridge, which you've seen before on one of our episodes. If I remember, I'll pop a link in the description below. And we did the flight up the river with the drone. And here we are, back where we started off. The bridge just off to the left. And Mini, I hope, is just behind these trees. There's the bridge, so we're back where we started. Go on. You can have a drink then. So back where we started, there's the bus. Thanks everybody for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe so you get notifications when new videos are put up to see. Okay, thank you very much. Bye.